So this is Liberia TV network. Of course, we are here at the Zwedru Triangle, and LRB Energy has begun the installation of meters across Zwedru. And of course, as you can see, the first phase of the installation has been done. Team here, as you can see, already started working.
Meter installation.
Yeah, already started. Of course, I'm here with media colleague Samuka Nyombo. It's a team of media that come to observe the work here. We'll speak to the manager for the county, but I just want to show you how the work is done. As you can see, they have started already. As you can see, a few days ago it was announced that there will be the installations of these meters to various homes. And so the guys are already here. We, as you can see, very busy, very busy, very busy. As you can see, folks. This is it. So, but let's get to the manager, Gedeh County, and of course to give a few words. Mr. Carr, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Of recent, you announced the installation of these meters. Today, you have started.
Yes.
How is it going to be done?
Yes, so the process is going on smoothly. As you can see, the meter is installing in Zwedru. We are starting with Zwedru first, and we'll be moving to other cities and towns in the Gedeh County.
Somebody will say that this is first of a kind in the city of Zwedru. Before carrying on the installation, were you able to carry on more awareness to the citizens, educating them about the usage?
Yeah, we did a lot of public awareness around the city and also around the country. As you be aware, we have the RSC team here that also help to carry on the awareness, and all of our customers that are using the electricity, we are all aware of the installation of the
What does it mean for the county, especially meter?
It's a great news for us to account for what we will be using when it comes to electricity in the country. In the past, where you will see tradition going to the house, there will be no more disconnection.
Though during the installation,
Libenergy staff are the ones that carry on the installation.
so how some people would like to know how the payment is actually commencing.
So after the installation of the meter, you will be giving a brochure that you take to the Libenergy office. On that brochure, you get a step how to recharge a meter. Everything is written on that brochure. So after the installation of the meter, you just go out to Libenergy office. Our customer service agent are there to give all the service.
Are they citizens they are self-selecting their shops for the meter, or is Libenergy?
That is a good
So Libenergy is the one that doing the selection of the meter. We are starting first with the business community, because you may be aware that people are the ones that mostly consume electricity in our country. So we are starting first with the business community, then we'll be moving to residential.
So is this the first area like
Yeah, we are started. No, we are installed about 2 meters to the Cynthia Business Center and also to Abad Link Business Center. So we are already installed 3 meters and we continue to install meters until the close of the day. And tomorrow we'll continue until we install close at 4,000 to 5,000 in the country.
This exercise going to last for how many days or weeks?
The exercise is a continuous process as we start now. There will be no break. We are already beginning with the installation. The exercise is going to begin. They will continue until all of the customers in the Gedeh County that are using electricity receive.
Those yourself, how are they feeling?
The customer, they welcome the app yet, they welcome the prepaid meter because at the end of the month you have to go to the office, go and pay your bill. There are some customers that can be in a chain to be going to the office. So you have a prepaid meter, you just use your token, and we also use the
Mobile money payment.
Yeah, we also introduce it in the next 1 month. But right now, you can go to the office and recharge
How much? How the payment is done for these prepaid meters?
In terms of the purchase of the meter,
Yes.
yeah, the meter costs $110.
Okay.
But I want $10 to pay installment.
Okay.
So that means every month, your first recharge, you're going to pay $8.50.
Okay.
And at the end of the day, you complete the $110.
Okay.
So when you pay your recharge first, the system going to deduct the $8.50.
Okay.
Then the bottom money will go towards your energy.
Okay. So quickly before we take leave of you, any message for the people of Gedeh County?
I want to inform the people of Gedeh and also that where we are brought in the prepaid meter that we all are there hearing for, that will make sure that our current will be stable because when the prepaid meter it will never leave energy to collect more money to be able to maintain a plan in place so that the current will be more stable. So as we bring in the prepaid meter now, we can assure the citizens that the current is going to be a stable one, and it's going to be a reliable, affordable current.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kaya.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you for responding to my quick
So his name is Jerry Kaya. He is the head of management team here for Libenergy in Gedeh County. You just listen to him, and so the team have already started doing the installation of these prepaid meters, and you just listen to him. He said be affordable, and of course electricity will be available for almost all of the time. No need of somebody coming to your place to cut you off. Your very self, can just pay your bill from your mobile money or whatsoever that you want to recharge. There will be nobody coming to disturb, cut you off or whatsoever. And so Libenergy head office in Cote d'Ivoire, as you can see in there, they have also come to be part of the installation. These are the head for Libenergy. He's based in Cote d'Ivoire. So he's also here witnessing the installation of the prepaid meters here in Sweden. Folks, wherever you are watching, this is Liberia TV network. Here in Gedeh County, where the installation of prepaid meters. Don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe to Liberia TV network. What is happening? Until then, my name is Lord Father, I'm here in Israel. Have a blessed day from my area. Bye-bye.